When will my chicks come out? Polly, are the chicks out? Not yet. Polly, are the chicks out? Polly, are the chicks out? Not yet. No, I am waiting. Polly, they are moving. Not yet. Polly, they are moving. Not yet.
I am out.
They are moving. Not yet. They are moving. Not yet. They are moving.
One little parrot comes out first. The second little parrot comes out next. The three little parrots open their eyes. I am Jill. I am Dill. My name is Rill. Jill has a big beak. Dill has long legs. Rill has a red ring. Dill has long legs. Rill has a red ring.
1, 2, 3. Jill,
Dill, Rill, fly, 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 up in the sky. Rill has a red ring. Rill has a red ring. Rill has a red ring. I am Rill. No, Rill is green. Hurrah! I am green again.